what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reyna and I'm back with another video. If you like this look, make sure you keep watching. I'm going to go right in and start with my black eyeshadow and go in with this copper color. I'm going to add that shadow to the bottom of my lids just to give us that nice fall pop that we need. And I already applied my cat eye off camera. It's a little easier to do it that way, but you know, it's pretty straightforward. And now I'm going to apply my lashes. Fan them lashes, boo. I'm drinking some kombucha. I'm going to go right ahead and add my lashes just so we can get that going. Make sure you fan your lashes and get the glue nice and tacky for easy application. And these are the wispy lashes by Reyna Style. I love these lashes. They're so cute. They're actually my collection, so if you're interested, I will be having some more coming out soon, which they all sold out. I'm going to go right ahead and go with my Roller Lasher Mascara, which is amazing. It gives my eyes a nice little pop. I naturally wear my natural lashes a lot of times, and it gives me like nice wispy lashes without the added lashes. So yeah, go ahead and apply that. And now I'm going to go with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355. I'm going to give my face a nice little coat, just enough to give my face that extra pop that it needs. My skin is already clear, so I don't really need the foundation, but just to add a little extra Hey fall! I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I usually just conceal under my eye for the most part. So you're going to just go right ahead and do that, just to give that eye a nice little bright awakening. So I'm just going to add that there, just a nice little small coat, nothing too much, nothing too major. I'm going to go in and, you know, blend that in. Blend it in, boo. That's the key. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to add my setting powder just to make sure I set my concealer so we will not have any creases throughout the day. I'm going to set the rest of my face, you know. Hey. I'm going to go with my kabuki brush. I'm going to go with my blush. I'm going to use these two pinks just to give my face that extra little pop that it needs for fall. We're going to create our sunshine. I'm going to go in with my Lime Crime Velveteen lipstick just for a matte finish. And I'm going to go in with my lip gloss and brush that hair, boo, because the face got to be on point and the hair got to be on point as well. Baby hairs, hey, I see you poking out. So yeah, I hope you all like this look, and if you did like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this video. Yeah, I hope you all are ready to slay for fall because I've been waiting. I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao.